Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now. Verify Riot server status and any official outage alerts. This tells you whether the issue is global. Next, reboot Riot Vanguard and then the Valorant client to clear driver-level conflicts. This often fixes authentication failures. Once done, power cycle your router and modem to reset NAT assignments. Then run a quick ping and packet loss test to your ISP. Make sure your local firewall or antivirus did not block Riot processes before moving into deeper troubleshooting. Now focus on the core network and client layers. Change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 and flush the DNS cache so domain resolution is reliable. This reduces routing errors. Update your network adapter drivers, verify NAT type is open or moderate, and enable UPnP if your router supports it to avoid port conflicts. Then use the Valorant Launcher's repair option if problems persist. Uninstall and reinstall Riot Vanguard, because corrupted anti-cheat drivers are a common root cause. Finish by isolating external variables. Test Valorant on a different network, or briefly use a reputable VPN to see if your ISP routing is the culprit. Collect Riot logs, network traces, and exact timestamps of failures. This makes support triage faster. If the server outage is confirmed, wait and retry after 15 to 30 minutes during rolling recoveries. One troubleshooting tip: if reconnects fail repeatedly, restart in safe mode with networking to eliminate third-party software interference before contacting.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.